Hello and welcome to WP Franklin Campground, site number 11 in Alva, Florida, which is about 8 miles east of Fort Myers. We're right on the river and we're right at the WP Franklin Lock and Dam. What a beautiful sight we got here. Some beautiful birds. They love eating your food, so don't leave it unattended outside. Okay, site 11 is at least 90 feet long, I'm gonna say. Fit 3 motorhomes there easy. 2 anyway. But you're only allowed 1, of course. So this is a 36-foot Tiffin, and that's our Colorado. Every site has electric and water. You have to use the dump station for the sewer. But there you see it, site 11. We're down around the corner. A lot of fish working out here. Every once in a while you'll see a manatee eating the grass. So I didn't pull up very far, but I didn't have to. And every campsite includes a barbecue, a fire pit, and a little baby pavilion. Pretty cool, huh? I got my gas grill here. And anyhow, that concludes my tour. I've been watching boats go through this morning. It's kind of fun to watch. And there's no obstructions as far as satellite is concerned. Well, have a great day, and if I find anything else to take a picture of, I will.